Lovely. Hello, hello, hello. Oh my gosh. Breathe in, Chanel. Breathe in. We're late today, Charles. We're late. Everyone's going to be having their cups of tea. Their dinner, I should say. What's going on with this cardigan? It's all twisted, Charles. Who's going to be here? Everyone's going to be having their dinner, Charlie. What do you reckon? I think we'll be sat here talking to ourselves. Oh, we have someone. Hi, Cecily. Hi, Lynn. Hi, I'm late today. I thought you might all be having your cup of tea. Look at me, I look like a little ballerina today with my little top knot. Right, we haven't got much today. We've only got one box, but I thought I'd pop on and say hi because I haven't seen you. Well, I saw a couple of you yesterday. That was a lot of fun. I've got parcels to get ready for tomorrow, or gifts. Hi, Leslie. And what else have I been doing? Apart from doing my tonic journal, I've been doing other little bits and pieces. Right, move your bum. Move your bum. We have one box. It's so hot, dinner not ready yet. Oh, bless you. I haven't even started mine yet. We're just going to have omelette because it's so warm, like you said. And I couldn't get my Asda shop till tomorrow, so all my salad. Hi, darling. I couldn't get any salad, so hi, Kay, honey. Hi. Hi, Mummy C. You made it. Hi, Janet. Wow, I thought you'd all be having your dinner and you're here with me instead. So we have one box today, so I know I've got another box coming tomorrow, but I thought I'd still pop on. This is all the way from America, and it's from a lady called Marianne Sullivan. Hi, honey. Marianne, let's pronounce it Marianne or Marianne. Marianne, I think it is, Sullivan. And this is all the way from America, believe it or not. From New York. So we have some yummy things in here. Oh, look at my God. It says, hello, beautiful. Isn't that lovely? And she wrote a lovely note in there as well and said, thank you so much for doing this. So kind of you. She's got lovely handwriting as well. It's all swirly-whirly. Lovely handwriting, Marianne. And you wait till you see what's in here. Oh my gosh. You know, we get inspired by people. I've been inspired by all of you. And these are, she called them little photo journaling albums. And they are just super cute. Isn't that just cute with all the flowers? And she's got this die cut beautiful you. And look, these little flip out folders, and then she's got lovely tags in the pockets. Aren't they ginormous as well? They're really big. I mean, I've done littler ones of these, but the big ones are just, hi Suzanne, honey. The big ones are super cute. And look, she's die cut this little flower in a watering can. That is super cute. I love it, and lots of tags. But look at them, aren't they great? I don't know what size paper she would have used for that, because surely that's bigger than, or is that 12 by 12 would make that? I don't know. I'll have to ask her. Aren't they cute? So we have that one. I'll have to measure it actually. And she's got this one here. But aren't they just gorgeous? And look, these have got little things on the end here. And let's see how we get into this. Oh, there it is. There it is. Oh, this comes off. Don't lose it or give it to the child to chew on. And then these are super cute, aren't they? Look, place photo here. And then it's got a big, isn't that just adorable? I love these. Hi, Cameron. Hi, honey. Hi, Janet. And more They've got like a tag in each pocket to put a photo on, and I think they're big enough for a 6x4 as well. So these are super cute. Look at those. Oh, look at the little rocking horse there. That's adorable. I'll put that string back on in a minute. These are super cute. I love them. Oh, the places you will go. How cute is this die? Oh, it's super cute. That is just adorable. Look at that. Have you? Oh my gosh, I love these, Lynn. These are, honestly, are they 12 by 12? Is it made with a 12 by 12 sheet? Because they look really big. Oh, look at these. I asked her where she got that stamp from that says place photo here. But I did order one. I went on eBay and I ordered one anyway because I think that they're super cute with the... Look at these. I just love these. And then she's got like a great big giant tags in there. These are adorable. I love them. And so much fun. What I love is you can get a 6x4 photo on them. Aren't they gorgeous? Looks like A3. That's what I thought. So they're A3. I have got some A3 in cream, which would work. Pack it in. I have got some A3. And then this one says love. Oh, aren't these adorable? I love them. I love them. I love them. Can you get your head out of the way? Move back. Right. Ow, don't bite me. And I like, let's just put the little fancy paper clips. He's going to bite me in a minute. Look at that. Aren't they super cute? And hi Jane. Hi Brandy. I think I have got the A3. Hi Chanel, I hope to send some bags soon if you're still... Oh my gosh. Yes, please. I need bags. I was sorting the gifts out for the school, and then I've got the sorting office for Monday, and I'm thinking I haven't got enough bags because that's over 100 gifts just for the 2 places. So I haven't got 100 bags. So yes, please, more bags. We need bags. I'm gonna have to just bite the bullet and order some more, I think. Oh, look at this. I love these. They're all the way from America as well. You know, I appreciate all of you that have sent gifts. And, you know, I know that there's Wendy Townsend who sent from Spain and then from America. And it's not cheap. And I know that. And I really do appreciate what you've done. Every possibility begins with the courage to imagine. Isn't that gorgeous? Look what she's done with the little man. Look, on the end of the paper clip. Oh, that's so cute. I have to be nosy and see how she's done it. Oh, she's just poked that on the end. Look. Isn't he cute? Oh, I'll put the ticket in there. We'll get them to the post office ASP and some templates to use as raffle prizes. Thank you. Oh my gosh. Oh, that reminds me. The butterfly journal went in the giveaway. So Lindsay chose the butterfly journal. So I do need to put another... Oh, thank you, Mummy C. Can't wait. I do need to put another gift in the giveaway, the Monday giveaway. And I am going to be doing that every week now. Because you guys are just super, super lovely. And you all deserve a treat. Aren't these... I love this paper she's used as well. Oh, these are adorable. Oh, it made me want to make some. Oh, look. Oh, my goodness me. Look at that. Aren't they lovely? They're massive as well. Oh, these are gorgeous. Oh, I love them. And just gives you so many ideas as well. Just to use your dies and, you know, this is... pockets, but just spruced up and made. Oh, look at the bunting. Oh my goodness me, I love that. Oh, how inspiring you all are. Oh, look at the flowers. I love her things as well. I love her dyes that she's. Oh, you're being very cute. Isn't that just adorable? Lovely. I love it. Right. And we have another one. These are just super cute. These are big dies as well, aren't they? Oh. Oh, look at these. Look, I remember when. Aren't they gorgeous? She has some super stamps and things. My God. Aren't these just lovely? And you've got so many pockets to, you know, tuck things in, and they're big, deep pockets as well. And look, you put your pictures here. Hi, Arlene. Oh, these are lovely. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. So, right, and she's also put, oh, let me just move those there. Put those back in there. And then there are some here as well. Some smaller ones. And does that say, you are so very loved? And these are like the little flip books. So you can put your little photos on there. And then there's another one there. Aren't they cute? Oh, super cute. I love these little flips. And they're just adorable. That's one. And then there's another one here. Let's just put here. And then it's got all the little flippy bits as well. I know, aren't they gorgeous? In high tide or low tide, I'll be by your side. And then this is a bigger one. And then, there you go. I can't reach to do the middle one. Oh, it does a picture. Wait a minute. Oh, there you go. Oh, isn't that just adorable to put your photos? Love that paper she's used. That is just super cute. I will get this back now. I love these. These flip books are adorable, Charles. And then we have a couple more here. This one, a smooth sea never made a skilled sailor. And then, oh, are they adorable? I might do a couple of gorgeous ones of these, but I'll wait till I get my stamp that says put photo here, because I want to use my stamp. So I think that's what I'll do. I'll wait till I get my stamp, and then I'll make a few of these, because these are adorable. And I found some really lovely gorgeous paper. Be the anchor. Oh. And these are super easy to make, these flip books. I mean, I did do that tutorial up, but these are even quicker. These are lovely. Oh, Marianne, thank you so much. These are all adorable. Thank you, thank you, thank you. All the way from America as well. Super, super lovely. So tomorrow I will be on and show you the next gift that is going to be added to the giveaway. And that's for Monday as well. I've got to put the raffle tickets on, and I need to get the gifts ready to deliver to the school maybe tomorrow or Friday, I think. So I think that's it. So I hope you're all well. It's very hot. It's very hot in here, isn't it? It's really hot. Suzanne, I know you're still here. Suzanne also made some little bands, ear saver bands, which I left them on the table downstairs, so I'll show them tomorrow. So Suzanne, you will get some raffle tickets as well. I will put them in the drawer for you. It was only a quick one today, guys. Hope you're well. Thank you for everything you're doing. Thank you. Keep up the good work, and I shall see you in group. Okay. Have a lovely evening. Bye.